everyone, and today we're going to be making tuna.
Tuna? Did I hear tuna? Yay!
Anyways, she's just very excited because she loves tuna, and we're going to be making tuna today.
Sorry, I love tuna. Tuna. Mwah. Tuna. Anyways.
First of all, before we start showing you the ingredients, we're going to tell you some fun facts about tuna. Did you know that there's 15 different types of tuna, and tuna is a saltwater fish? So that means tuna lives in salt water.
Wow. Did you guys know that tuna, it took over thousands of years to discover a method of fishing tuna? It can also weigh up to 1,000 pounds. They can even be bigger than sharks.
That's interesting.
Wow. Tunas are really big. First time I heard the word tuna, I thought tunas were like sardines, you know? But they're not that tiny, man. They start tiny, but after they keep on growing, and growing. I'm pretty sure tuna can even be bigger than us.
It's definitely bigger than us.
Yeah.
Today, we're going to be making a tuna sandwich, and the first thing we're going to do is wash our hands.
Wash your hands.
Me too.
You know, I love tuna. Before, I didn't really like tuna. You know, there were times I'll come back from school with tuna and I'll barely eat it because I didn't really enjoy it and I didn't like the taste. But this tuna, it just has a nice taste to it and it's just really delicious. And I feel like this tuna, it's just amazing. It has a nice